morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1095th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Good evening, traders. 1095th installment of these nightly videos, and these are geared to help teach you the art of technical analysis, the way I have learned it down on the trading floors and working in this career for the past 31 years. Traders, welcome, welcome. It is Wednesday night for Trading Thursday. This video is being filmed on Wednesday night for Trading Thursday. That would be October 24th, 2014. We are starting this day off with a red Omni, and I know that sounds sick, and I'd like to boo it. Boo! But that's what it is. I'm not going to interfere. Now, looking at this chart right here, possibly a breather day coming? Very likely. Look at this white line right here. It represents a pretty strong channel that we've been in, both supporting and resisting the market as it moves up and down. Now, the S&P has bounced off of it. It tried to go through it on Tuesday. It failed to get above it again on Wednesday, and it very well might stop the market from going up for a day or two. The Omni's starting to turn towards the red side. It's basically flipped, it's 99% there. So I cannot start off with a buy. So we will start off with selling into rallies and let the market come off and see what it develops into. I will say this. My conflict with this is I think this right here, instead of stopping at that white line, I think that this will just morph into a bull flag, and away this market's going to go. My personal opinion is that it would simply just morph into this bull flag right here, not respect the line and just go. We are in a bull market. Why wouldn't I expect this to be a bull flag? That's one way to look at it. There is something else. A dear friend of mine who's been a mentor of mine for many, many years always tells me, Oscar, you got to watch for the four-legged Gann bottoms and the four-legged Gann tops. Maybe it's a four-legged Gann top and we need to come off a little bit. There's a four-legged top there, right? This could be a four-legged top, maybe a few days down. I don't know. I would think it's going to go up. The Omni says, no, I never interfere with the Omni's calls. So we put out the recommendation to sell the rally. We'll see what happens. I will say this. It doesn't look very risky, this trade, no matter what, because it doesn't look like it requires such a large stop anyway. So let's see what we get. It would be amazing to see this market stop and turn because the Omni decided that it was going to go bearish on a Thursday, because I tell you, it's a bullish market. We're in a bull market, and this trade is against the grain. Right? If you're selling into something this bullish, you got to be very nimble with your trading. So I will say this, if we get involved in a trade and it comes off, we are jumping out as quickly as we can and sidelining ourselves. I'd much prefer to be looking for the buy trades and calling the buy trades in a bull market than calling the sell trades in a bull market. But Omni is what Omni is, and I will not interfere. Traders, we know futures trading is extremely risky and could cause substantial financial loss. Futures trading is not suitable for all trading accounts. Please make sure that you recognize that and never trade these markets without placing protective stops. So here's your S&P, possibly a breather day coming on Thursday. Traders, I want to show you something none short of amazing how well technical analysis works. Here is our Tesla chart, traders. I came to you on this day and said, look, Tesla is having a fundamental problem somewhere. I think the company is having trouble. Why would I think that? Looking at the chart right here, this chart was very, very bullish. Up, 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 up and away. Right around here, we started heading towards new contract highs in the S&P and the NASDAQ. Right here, we made new contract highs on these days. Tesla, the darling of Wall Street's going down. This day we make a new high. This day we make a new high and another new high in the stock market, in the Dow, in the tranny, or at least in the S&P and in the NASDAQ. And during that same period, Tesla's going down. I say there's a fundamental coming out in the news because the chart is giving me sell signals and the Omni has gone full-blown bearish. So I showed that to you on this day where this little bear is, and I said this is our sell signal. Traders, we've dropped from the settlement of 183.40 on that day. 1, 2, 3, 4 days later, we dropped down to $160.15. That is a $23.25 drop in a stock in 3 days, really 4. An amazing, amazing call from Omni, but not just from Omni. That is a testament to technical analysis. Bravo, bravo, technical analysis. All right, traders, so listen, here's what I'd like for you to do. I'd like for you to come on down to livewithoscar.com. Come join me in my free live chat room. I will show you these trades. I will show you how I come up with them. I will share this Tesla chart with you, and I will make sure that you are fully prepared for trading these markets, knowing why we use stops, knowing how important they are, and knowing that you must stick to your trading plan every day if you want to succeed in this game. Traders, always remember, keep this in mind. At all times, I want you to stay calm when you're trading. One of the best things you can do to help yourself stay calm is say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, thank you so much for showing up, watching my videos. I hope to see you at livewithoscar.com.